Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where for some reason your Samsung TV is just not turning on. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one thing I would recommend doing in this particular situation is to go through and see and check the power source of your particular TV. So what I'd recommend doing here is going through, grabbing your TV, grabbing your whatever you have, and unplugging and replugging your TV back into the power outlet. For a lot of people out there, that could be all you're really going to have to do. So go through, unplug and replug your power outlet, and you want to see if that ends up fixing your problem. And for a lot of people, that might end up doing it for you, and that's exactly what I'd recommend doing. You can also try plugging it into a different power outlet. You can also check your power options and see if there's any issues there. For a lot of people, that might be all you're going to have to do there, and that's exactly what I recommend doing. Now, sometimes there could be an issue just with your remote control. So let's say your TV is fine. Sometimes it might just be the settings within your remote itself. So you might want to go through and double check that remote. You want to make sure that that particular remote is good. You want to make sure there's no issues with it, because sometimes that can also cause some problems, because if the remote's not turning on, then the TV's not going to turn on from there either. Now, another thing you can try doing is going through and seeing if you can kind of perform a power cycle of your TV. So what you want to do here is you want to completely power off unplugged TV from your power source. So go through, unplug that TV from it. You want to press and hold the power button on the TV for 30 seconds. So hold it down, you want to wait 5 minutes, and then you want to plug the TV back in and you want to turn it back on. For a lot of people, that is another option that you can try kind of going into, and that very well could also end up fixing the problem for you as well. So there's a couple of different ways to do it, but those are kind of the main ways to go and fix this issue if you're running into it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.